What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, and I really just came here to tell you fuck that job. And let me tell you why I'm telling you that. You thinking about it. And the fact that you even thinking about it let me know, and it should let you know that you above it, you better than that. Now, why am I saying that people that have jobs are less than people who don't have jobs, or people who don't have jobs are better than people that have jobs? That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm talking to you, the one that wants to quit the job. You clicked the video, right? So obviously you ready to quit the job. Well, fuck it, quit it. Quit. I'm giving you the permission right now. Quit. You know why? Because you deserve more. The fact that it's on your mind, you know, most regular people, average people that go to work every day, why do they go to work? To pay their bills. They content, right? They content with what they getting. You, on the other hand, are watching this video because you're not content with it. You tired of that shit. You probably fed up. You know that you above it. That was me. I went to a job every single day, and I ain't gonna even some of those jobs I didn't even hate. I just didn't want to work for people. Period.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
I was talking to my boy, yeah, shout out to Calvin Weaver. Man, we were talking about how they literally tell you when to eat lunch. They tell you when to eat your lunch. Like, what type of grown-ass person is sitting around, actually not even sitting around, working and doing what the hell they're supposed to do, and then like a little robot, like a little kid, go eat your lunch. You know what I mean? It's 11:30 in the morning. They still serving breakfast at some places. They tell you talk about go eat lunch. You ain't even hungry yet. You know what I mean? What the hell are you going to eat lunch for? So that's the type of stuff I'm talking about. And this is the type of person that I'm talking to. Is a person that's above that shit. You getting treated like you a toddler. Tell when to go to work, what to do, how to do it, when to eat. Everything. Fuck that. You above it. I'm the one that's here to tell you. Y'all talk shit about me if you want to in the comments if you want to. I don't give a damn. Because at the end of the day, this is what you need to hear if you're serious about changing your life. Leave that shit. Now here's the thing. If you have a family to take care of, because I know some of y'all ain't that damn young either. So if you got a family to take care of, you got responsibilities and bills to pay them damn bills, okay? Pay the bills, but come up with a plan on how you going to get the hell out of that job. Now, if you single, or you young, and just you and your boyfriend, or just you and your girlfriend, you ain't got no kids yet, man, fuck that damn job. And if your spouse or partner got a problem with it, well, fuck them too for a second. Honestly, fuck them too. And because you got to do that. You literally got to do that. I'm going to tell you right now, me and my wife been together for what? 14 years now. In the beginning, she hated it every time I got a job. I used to quit. And there was times where she had her job and she was going to school, and I ain't had nothing but my hustle and figuring out how I'm gonna get some. I was always trying to start some type of business or try to hustle or do something, right? And so at the end of the day, when my shit didn't come through, guess who had to pay all the bills by themselves? She did. And you know, she was pissed off about that. But you know what? Eventually, my tenacity and my refusal to settle for less paid off, because now, you know, I led the way when it comes to entrepreneurship and us building our business and building our wealth. So now we make passive income and don't have to work a day in our life right now. I literally don't have to work. I do these YouTube videos and stuff like that, but it ain't work. Y'all, I mean, it ain't no work. It's effort. It's time consuming, but it ain't no work. It's fun for me. I do this shit, and I mean, I'm probably going to do this for forever because it's kind of therapeutic too. But if I didn't say fuck that job, if I didn't say fuck what people think, if I didn't say fuck all the little social norms and the pressure that they try to put on us, we wouldn't have got in this position in the first place. Okay? So that's why I came to tell you fuck that job. Again, prioritize your responsibilities. Take care of the household. You know what I mean? Pay your bills if you got to pay the bills. You got a family. It's different for you. It's still fuck that job, but fuck it strategically, okay? Be strategic about it. You know what I mean? Like, pay them bills first, but find you a way to get some type of side income coming in. Whether you get you a rental property like I did, whether you write you a damn book. Let me tell y'all something too about that, because I always say write you a book, right? And the example I use is I wrote a book on cleaning franchises and how to thrive with them and all of that, because that's what I had at the time. That's what I knew about. But it don't even got to be all that, y'all. You know, regular non-fiction books like that, what you need? Hundreds of pages, right? Let's go simple on it. Do you a fictional kids book, 10 damn pages, draw some pictures and every damn thing. Hell, you can get an illustrator on Fiverr, right? See John run. Know what I mean? And put you the fucking book together within about 10 minutes. Upload that motherfucking PDF up to Amazon KDP. And I mean, that's Kindle Publishing Direct or something like that, right? Upload it to Amazon. Create you a cover on Canva.com and sell that bitch. Put it on your Instagram page. Put it on your Facebook. Text every motherfucker in your phone. And sell it. Make you some money right now. But do whatever you have to do to get out that damn job if you don't want to be there. And this is what I'm like, you don't want to be there if you're watching this video. That's a fact. If you wanted to be there, you want to search this shit up. And that sucks. There's always some smart Alex. I always got an answer for y'all ass. Somebody in his comments going to be like, why ain't search it? They recommended it. Well, bitch, you clicked it. Alright? You clicked it, didn't you? See? I got you. So if you watching this video and you made it this far in the video, quit. You so damn bad, you don't want it that bad, well quit. Do something else. Find a way to get it without that goddamn job, okay? Because you don't need it. But if you got the job and you needed to pay them damn bills, then pay them damn bills and then find you a way to start getting some side hustles like writing a book like I just told you. Like doing YouTube videos. The same way I'm on this shit right now getting paid because of the ads in my videos, you can do it too. But AJ, I don't know about business. But shit, you know about basketball? Talk about basketball. You know what I mean? You know how to read a book out loud? Get up this bitch and read somebody else's work. Read a book. Read it to the kids. You know how to, you know about style? Hell, get on that bitch and tell them what the fashion is for the month. Do anything. You literally can do anything to make it without a job these days, and yet somehow, some way, we have people out here deliberately going to these goddamn jobs, signing up for car notes, applying for the most expensive ass luxury apartment, and doing all of these things to keep them enslaved to the damn job that they don't want to be in the first fucking place. If you serious about quitting that job, stop getting fucking high ass car notes trying to show off. Stop going out and buying jewelry and all that shit. I'm gonna tell you something. I got on jewelry now. You go back and look at my old videos and had that shit on then, did I? Because I was too busy building assets and building wealth first. Prioritize your shit, man. So you can't quit that job and never have to go back for the rest of your life. So this video is for you. If you on the verge and you thinking about it, get off the verge and do it. And if you know you're in a position right now because you got kids that's depending on you, they didn't ask to be here. So make sure you take care of them and prioritize them, especially while they young babies too. Now, I mean, prioritize them first. But no matter what, it's your life. And can't nobody experience your life for you but you. And if you're going to live this motherfucker and you probably be here for a while anyway, you might as well live it happy, right? So start making your exit strategy now. Start creating your plan now to get the hell out of there. So if you don't know what to do, I can tell you this. I would recommend you start a business, and you can go to cleanbiznetwork.com. I sell cleaning business starter kits. As you can see, I own Clean Biz Network, right? And we help people get started with cleaning companies. That's how I quit my job. I started a cleaning company, and then one day I was fed up with the job. I walked my ass clean up out of that shit, and I said, fuck that job. That's what I'm telling you. Fuck that job. Okay, I'm going to keep saying it. I'm going to keep saying it because you probably need somebody to tell it. Like, I know that's how you feel. You probably said it to yourself in the car, sitting in the car miserable as hell. Damn, I'm so tired of this shit. This can't be my life. I wasn't born just to pay bills and die. This is all shit I had to do, and I dealt with. And I had those thoughts every day. But when I committed, and I you know what I did? I listened to Eric Thomas every morning. Used to listen to positive thinking videos. You Are Creators channel, Evan Carmichael channel, my own damn channel. I would listen to my own damn videos. All these different people every single day, and I just started learning more. Started applying some of these principles and lessons they were teaching me about, right? And then I was able to quit that damn job, start my cleaning company, and go on from there. So that's what I got for y'all, man. If you're thinking about it, do it. And if you can't do it today, you better figure out your plan to do it within the next 30 days or the next 2 weeks or however long you got. But set that fucking date and burn the damn bridge. Don't never look back. Quit that job, dog. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here. Thank y'all for watching.
Got to that point. Yeah. Your mind must be knowing it's after 3 o'clock.
Exactly.
Like, you know that's how it be. Like,
that's a fact. I'm gonna tell you right now, fuck that job. What's up, y'all? I think that's a good intro, right? They be back for that one. What? There's gonna be so many people hating in the comments. Oh, you can't just be telling people to quit the job.
That's golden.
All right, I'm gonna leave that too. I'm ready to go just off of that. Here we go. What's Boy. All right, here we go. You got me weak, man.
Yeah, I can't even straight with all right.
I tell you right now, fuck that job. Look, look, you know how hard it was now. Look at
Man, you was.
you got me in my bag.
That was